Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to use ynab4 on a new computer. If you're a fan of ynab4 for budgeting but just got a shiny new machine, don't stress. This process is straightforward and will have you back on track in no time. ynab4, or You Need a Budget 4, is a fantastic tool for managing your finances, and transferring it is easier than you might think. First off, gather what you need: your ynab4 license key, which you got when you purchased the software, and access to your old computer's files. This key is crucial for activation on the new device. Step 1. Visit the official ynab website and log in to your account. Look for the download section and grab the installer for ynab4. Make sure you're downloading the correct version. ynab4 is an older one, so double check to avoid any mix-ups with newer editions. Once downloaded, run the installer on your new computer. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It should only take a couple of minutes. After installation, launch ynab4. You'll be asked to enter your license key, type it in carefully, and the software should activate right away. Now, for your existing budgets, ynab4 saves data in specific files, usually with a ynab4 extension. Locate this file on your old computer. It's often in your Documents folder, and transfer it to the new one. You can use a USB drive, cloud storage like Google Drive, or even email it to yourself. Open ynab4 on your new computer. Go to the File menu, and select Open to import your budget file. Everything should load up seamlessly. One last tip: if you have linked bank accounts, you might need to re-enter your login details to keep things synced. Test everything out, and you're ready to go. There you have it. Using ynab4 on your new computer is a breeze. If you hit any snags, check the ynab support page or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting. Remember, taking control of your finances starts with tools like this. See you in the next video.